Your landlord can give you notice that they're coming in to take photos. Normally it's going to be taking photos of things that require repair or maintenance or any damage that's been noted. If they tell you that they're taking photos so that they can market the unit for re-rental or for sale, they need to get your permission first. So if you say yes, they're going to go ahead and they're going to do that. But if you say no, they have to respect that, and they cannot be putting pictures of you and your personal belongings online to market the unit for sale. What they can do is they can use vacant photos of the unit prior to your move-in. They could potentially take photos and then hire someone to essentially declutter or take all of they'll edit the photos to remove all of your belongings, so it essentially is a vacant space. If they can make it anonymous, then they can use the photos, but if there's anything that can sort of identify you or your tenancy and you refuse, they have to respect that.